He goes hard straight away. What a way to start the run chase. He goes again, lashed through point in the air. Oh, that's incredible, off the back foot. This time it's full, and it's pretty much the same result. One bounce for 6 more.
What a strike. What a strike from Sharma. He's off to a flyer. Oh, that's picked up. It's got the vertical miles and the horizontal ones. Lands in the stands for another 6. Up and over, inside out. Short and wide and slashed away.
And he targets long on this time.
And goes leg side this time, just to make things different. Nice one. What a way to finish that over.
Short delivery first up, and it's picked up beautifully for 6. Waited, had so much time, and he's got that away. One bounce, and it's gone for 4. Set that one very high indeed. How far's that one gone? That's gone far enough. That's 6.
Abhishek Sharma at the moment seems to have answers to pretty much everything. Where's this ball sailing to? Into the fence and into the boundary goes. Away from the fielder.
Oh, that's a good strike. Nice pace and swinging it down the ground. Oh, lovely shot this. Just carved it through the offside.
Goes big again.
He's decided to let it go as well. Has he hit it far enough? Yeah, he says.
That's up in the air. And goes the distance. And what does he do? Give himself room. And just slices it over third man to bring up the 50. Oh, that's glorious. That is magnificent from Abhishek Sharma. This might have gone the distance as well. Clean as. Ball disappearing to the fence. More runs. The ball disappearing to all parts now in power play. Oh, more runs. Finishes off with a boundary. 4 boundaries in that over. The round arm action puts that away for a single. Another half century. His excellent run in this competition continues. His 4th in T20s and the 2nd back-to-back.